Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use downtime in screen time on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we need to tap on settings. In the settings page, go down and tap on screen time. Now, if you haven't set up the screen time before, then the device will ask you to set up screen time. So I'm just going to turn it off now so you can see. So if you haven't turned on screen time before, you need to tap on turn on screen time, then tap on the continue button, and then choose this is my iPhone. Once it is turned on, you can tap on downtime, and then tap on the downtime button up here. Now sometimes it may also ask you to put in the screen passcode. In that case, you can put it in. So once it's turned on, you can set every day or customize certain days. So if you choose tap on that, you can go and choose set Sunday. You can set the time, a custom time for Sunday, and then choose 2. And then you can also switch them off if you don't want to set it for Sunday. Or for Monday, you can switch it off. And then you can set a downtime for other days. So it's totally up to you how you want to set it. Or you can choose simply every single day between that time to that time. Now you can also tap on block at downtime to block the device during that time. And that's easy all to it. So once downtime is activated, it says here set a schedule for time away from the screen. During downtime, only apps that you choose to allow and phone calls will be available. So you can see here some of the apps in here has been turned off or disabled. So let's say if I turn on camera, it says time limit. You have reached your time limit on your camera. You can tap on OK or ignore limit. Ignore limits will allow you to continue to use that particular app. So you can say set more minute, remind me in 15 minutes, or ignore limits for today. So the purpose of downtime is just to kind of help you stay away from your phone, but it does not restrict you totally. You still can have the control to access the app when necessary. And if we go back into settings here, you can also go into app limits and set which apps can be allowed to use during downtime. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Now, just before we finish off, you can always go back in here in downtime and you can switch them off. So we can switch them off if you wanted to, or you can use the schedule to turn them on or off automatically. So if you need to, you can always go back in here and turn them off manually. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.